fix the unexpected error on WhatsApp desktop for Windows. So if you want to fix the unexpected error on WhatsApp desktop for your Windows, then what you need to do is you just need to simply make sure that you've uninstalled the application from your PC. So uninstall the WhatsApp, and then you're going to your Microsoft Store. Search for Microsoft Store and then click on it. And here, once it loads, you need to go with search, which will be in the top, and search for WhatsApp. And once you find it, you're just simply going to install the WhatsApp from here, and that should be working for you. Anyways, if you have trouble, you can always try updating your Windows. That causes a lot of problems with apps these days, or you can check your internet settings. Those are the two key factors of the unexpected error. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.